Hello guys, today we are talking about skarking. In this video, we discuss all features about skarking. And guys, make sure like this video, subscribe my channel so you don't miss any update. So guys, let's get started this video. First of all, we know about skarking origin. Skarking is an ancient a species of orangutan and he was strongest ape of our empire. Skarking has the relation of Kong uh, because in the past he was brother than Kong species and he was bigger than Kong age. Skarking ability like whip slash, mind controlling crystal from Great Godzilla Halawa in during Titan War. Before the end fight don't participate in Titan War, but he stole crystal from Zalzala Halava and captured the strongest Titan, Shimu. And he gives suffer pain. And that's the reason Shimu gets side switch with Scar King. And now we talk about Scar King powers and abilities. Scar King was very fast and agile. He can dodge Kong attacks. He almost dodged Godzilla atomic breath, gave tough time to Kong, but the Kong was escaped then, and he was very intelligent. That proof he captured the Ice Titan Shimu. That reason he was very intelligent, and some humor says he has thunder power to control any things like telepathy, telekinesis, and other resources capture power. Skarking Whip was very strong. He can cut Kong hands, gave damage to escape, no choice to Kong. And he was smaller than Kong because Skarking height is 318 feet tall and weight is 70,000 tons. And it was omnivorous, both like plants and animals. Skarking was ruthless nature of ape species because he can ruin our empire and our species. And he killed our species and Godzilla species. So, and the Godzilla Kong defeated the Scar King. He was weaker than both Godzillas and Kong because Kong easily defeated them, but Shimu interfere and Kong have no choice to escape them. And second time, Godzilla easily defeats Scar King and Kong destroyed them. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure like this video, subscribe my channel so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys.